Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine. And let's study the 12 in the winter season. Today we are on page number 58. As we learned yesterday, page number 57, how to find the prime factors by division method. Today we will learn how to find the prime factors by division method plus how to find the LCM and HCF also. Yesterday we found LCM, today we are adding HCF, highest common factor. The same method will be used division method to find the prime factors, then we find the LCM and then we will find highest common factor. Okay? So open your book, page number 58, see question number 3. I'm going to start with number 3, part A. The pair of numbers are 12 and 20. 12 and 20. Okay? So start dividing 12 by the prime numbers. The lowest prime number 2, 12 divided by 2 we got 6, 6 divided by 2 we got 3, and 3 divided by 3 we got 1. Now start dividing 20 by the lowest prime numbers. 20 divided by 2 10, 10 divided by 2 5, and 5 is only divisible by 5. Now write the prime factors. Prime factors of 12 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Okay? Prime factors of 20 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. Now as we got LCM, which method yesterday, we see we have to make the pairs. So, and we take only one digit from each pair, 2 from this and 2 from this, and multiply all others, 3 multiply 5. Okay? Remember, do not forget to take one digit from each pair. Okay? This will become 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 multiply 3, 12, and 12 multiply 5 will give us 60. LCM in this case is 60. Okay? Now write the common factors from these prime factors of 12 and 20. What are the common factors? Common factors are 2 and 2. Okay? Common factors are 2. Take one from each and 2. So this will give you highest factor. Which is the highest common factor? Is 4. So 4 is the highest common factor of 12 and 20. 4 is the highest common factor of 12 and 20. Okay. Question number 3, part D. Here I am giving you a tip that the product of two numbers will be equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Product of two numbers, multiply these two numbers. 12 multiply 20. 12 multiply 20 will give us 12 0 12 to the 24. Okay? Product of 12 multiplied 20 is 240. And product of the LCM and HCF. What is LCM? Multiply HCF. LCM is 60. Multiply HCF is 4 is 240. Okay? What was the number? 12 and 24. 12 multiplied 24 is also 240. Okay, so this is your test that your LCM and HCF is okay and correct. That multiply the given two numbers. Okay, this should be equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. Okay, this is extra work may be used in the question number 5, but you must keep in your mind that you can test your answers by this method. Okay, for this time I am ignoring this. I am doing part number D. Question number 3, part D. The pair of numbers are given are 48 and 30. 48, 30. Start dividing 48 by the prime numbers. 48 divided by 2 we get 24. 24 divided by 2 we will get 12. 12 divided by 2 we will get 6. 6 divided by 2 we will get 3, and 3 divided by 3 we will get 1. Okay, now start dividing 30 by the lowest prime numbers 2, we got 15. 15 is divisible by lowest prime number 3, we got 5, and 5 is only divisible by 5. Now write the prime factors. Prime factors of 48 are 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2, 3. 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3. And prime factors of 30 are 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 5. 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 5. For LCM, we make the pairs. This is our first pair and this is our second pair. And from each pair we will take one digit. Okay, 2 from this and 3 from this. Okay, now write all the others. 3 times 2, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, and 1 times 5. This will give us our LCM. After multiplication, all these numbers, 2 multiply 3, 6, 6 multiply 2, 12, 12 multiply 2, 24, 24 multiply 2, 48, 48 multiply 5 is equal to 5 8 the 40, 4 carry, 5 4 the 20, 20 plus 4, 240. Check again, 2 multiply 3, 6, 6 multiply 8, 6 multiply 3, 30, and 30 multiply 8, 240. Yes. LCM is 240. Now find the highest common factor. For highest common factor, we take only common factors, each ones. Write common factors. Common factors are 2 and 3. 2 multiply 3, which will gives us 6. Highest common factor is equal to 6. 6 is, these both numbers are divisible by 6. Okay. Now we can check our answers that product of HCF and LCF will be equal to the product of both numbers. Okay. HCF is 6. 240 multiply 6, this is our LCM, this is our HCF, is equal to 40 multiply 8, 30. So this will become 600, 6 for the 24, 2 carry, 6 to the 12, 12 plus 2, 140. And multiply this, we will get, multiply here, 0, 3 8 the 24, 3 8 the 24, 2 carry, 3 4 the 12 plus 2, 140. 1440 is equal to 1440. It means our answer is correct. again repeating, this is extra work. It's just to check your correction. It's just to check your answers that your HCF and LCMs are okay and correct. I'm doing last part of the question number 3. Question number 3 part. This is F. The pair of numbers are 121 and 132. 121 and 132. Start first dividing 121, which is only divisible by 11. 11 the 121. Now 11 is only divisible by 11, so it will become 1. Okay? 121 is only divisible by 11. It comes only in the table of 11. Now start dividing 132. 132, start dividing by the lowest prime number 2. We get 2 6 the 12 and 2 6 the 12. Sorry, 66. 2 33 and 33 is only divisible by 11. 3 and 3 is only divisible by 3. Okay. Now write the prime factors. Prime factors of 121 are 11 multiply 11, okay, while the prime factors of 132 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 11 multiply 3. Only one pair is possible. For LCM, we take one digit from the pair and write all others. This 11, this 2, this 2, and this 3. Okay, so we got LCM is equal to 11 121 multiply 2 multiply 2 4 4 multiply 3 12. Multiply this 121 multiply 12. 12 on the 12, 2 written, 1 carry, 12 to the 24 plus 1 carry 25, again 2 carry, 2 on 12 on the 12 plus 2, it is 1452. LCM is 1452. Now we find the HCF from the common factors. What are the common factors? Only 11. 11 is common in both factors. So this is also our highest common factor. Common factors are only 11. So only it is 11. So this is our HCF. HCF is also 11. Okay, so this was the case. We can find by the same method LCM the pair of numbers and HCF the same pair of numbers. But question number 4 is same. For in practice I can do apart from this here. Hope you understand. This is very easy but very important for your next classes, finding the prime factors and LCM of pair of numbers by division method. By prime factorization method will be in the next classes, grade 5. So these are very important. Don't miss them. If you don't understand, ask me on my WhatsApp number. I will inshallah explain you again. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. Find the HCF and LCM of these pairs of numbers. I'm doing B. Question number 4 part B. This is 18 and 56. 18 and 56. So start dividing 18 by the lowest prime number 2. 2 9 the 12, 2 9 the 18, 9 divided by 3 we got 3 and 3 divided by 3 we got 12. Now start dividing 56 by 2 we will get 23, and 23 is not divisible by any number because it is also a prime number. Okay, write the prime factors. Prime factors of 18 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, and prime factors of 56 are 2 multiply 23. So these are only common. For LCM, we write one digit from the common and multiply all others. 2 multiply 3, 2 from this, and 3 multiply 3 multiply 23. We will get 2 multiply 3 6, 6 multiply 3 18 multiply 23. Multiply on the right side. 8 multiply 3 8 3 the 24, 2 carry 8 to the 16 plus 2 184 0 23 we got 4 8 3 11 1 carry 2 on the 3 plus 1 414. LCM is equal to 414. Okay, now find the HCF. For finding HCF, we write the common factors from these prime factors. Common factors are only 2. There is no other common factor. Okay, so it is only the highest common factor. Because there is no other common factor, so this is only the highest common factor. Understand? Now, question number 4. Which part I do for you? I'm doing D, 36 and 60. 36 and 60. Now, we start dividing 36 by the lowest prime number. 2 we got 18, 18 divided by 2 we got 9, 9 divided by 3 we got 3, and 3 divided by 3 we got 1. Now start dividing 60 by the lowest prime numbers. 2 we got 30, 30 divided by 2 we got 15, 15 divided by lowest prime number 3 we got 5, and 5 divided by 5 we got 1. Write the prime factors. Prime factors are 36 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Prime factors of 60 are 2 2 3 5. 2 2 3 5. Now make the pairs where and if possible. Okay. For LCM, we will take each digit from these pair once. Do not write the again and again. LCM is equal to 2 from this, 2 from this pair, 3 from this pair, and write the others. Remaining 3 multiply 5. This will give us 2 multiply 2 4, 4 multiply 3 3 9. 4 multiply 9 36 multiply 5, and this will be equal to 5 6 the 30, 3 carry 5 3 the 50 plus 3 carry 180 is our LCM of 36 and 60. For finding the highest common factor, we write the common factors only. Which are 2, 2 and 3. 2, 2 and 3. This is equal to 2 multiplied to 4 and 4 multiplied 3, 12. Check 12 can divide all these two numbers exactly. Yes. 36 divided by 12 we got 3. 60 divided by 12 we got 5. Okay, this is our answer. Should I do again the other part for you? Yes, I am doing part F from question number 4. Part F. This is 22 and 132. 22, 132. Start dividing 22 by the lowest prime number is 11. 11 is only divisible by 1. Now start dividing 132 by 2. We got 66. 66 divided by 2 we will get 33. 33 is only divisible in 11. It will give you 3, and 3 is only divisible by 3. Okay. Write the prime factors. Prime factors of 22 are 2 multiply 11. Okay. Prime factors of 132 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 11 multiply 3. Now see what are the common factors, make their pair. And for LCM, take 1 digit from each this pair, 2 from here, 11 from here, and this write also this 2 and 3. 2 multiply 3. So this is 2 multiply 11, 22. 22 multiply 2, 44. 44 multiply 3 will gives us 3 for the 12. 1 carry 3 for the 12 plus 1, 13. LCM is equal to 132. Same number. Okay. Now we see highest common factor. For least common factor, we write common factors. What are the common factors? 2 and 11. 2 and 11. So our HCF will be equal to 22. To check our answers, we can check our HCF, that HCF is divisible by both these numbers. HCF divide both these numbers exactly. Yes, 22 divides 22, we got 1, and 22 may divide 132 or not. Let's check. 132 divided by HCF 22. Okay. This will give 11. 11, 22 will give us 132. No. No, there is a mistake, I think. Excuse me. Okay, boys, this was our question number 4. Now see the next question number 5. Before going to question number 5, look on the table and try to understand that each pair of number, if we find their LCM and HCF, okay, and if we multiply the HCF and LCM, this will give us the product of both numbers. For example, in this case, 18 and 56, if we multiply 18 and 56, will be the same answer if we multiply LCM and LCF. Okay, so in this table you see the pair of number is 6 and 9. 6 and 9 product will give us 54. Okay, find their HCF and LCM. HCF of 6 and 9 is 3, while the LCM is 18. 18 multiplied 3 also 54. So keep in your mind that the product of two numbers is always equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Product of two numbers is always equal to product of their HCF, highest common factor, and LCM, least common multiple. Okay. In question number 5, we will check this divisibility. Question number 5. The pair of numbers is given 10 and 15. Multiple. I'm going to start with number 5, part 8, 10 and 15. And 50. So first we'll find the HCF, lowest common multiple, then we'll find the HCF, highest common factor, and then we will check the answers are correct or not. So start dividing 10 by 2, we got 5, and 5 divided by 5 only 1. Okay, now start dividing 15. 15 is only divisible by the lowest prime number 3, 5, and 5 by 5 we got 1. Prime factors. Prime factors are 10 is equal to 2 multiply 5, and 15 are 3 multiply 5. There is only one pair. For LCM, we take one number from each pair, 5, and write the other numbers. 2 multiply 3, which gives us 5 multiplied 2, 10, 10 multiplied 3, 30. LCM is equal to 30. Okay. Now find the highest common factor, which comes from the common factors. So what are the common factors? What are the common factors? In this case, common factor is only 5. So this is our HCF. Okay. Now we will check the product of these two numbers is equal to product of LCM and HCF or not. So product of these two numbers, 10 multiply 15. These are the two numbers. We check their product is equal to product of their LCM or not. LCM multiply HCF. Okay. 15 multiplied 10 will give us 150, and LCM is 30 multiply HCF is 55. Yani 150 is equal to multiplying this, we got 150. So this is equal to this. The right hand side is equal to the left hand side, hence prove that the product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM and LCM. Okay. I'm going question number 5, part D, last 28 and 70. 28 and 70. Start dividing 28 by 2, we got 14. 14 is divisible by 2, we got 7, and 7 is only divisible by 1. Okay. Now start dividing 70 to 35, and 35 is divisible by the lowest part will be 3 also. 3 1 3, no, sorry, 5 only. It gives 7, and 7 is divisible by only 7. Now write the prime factors. Prime factors are 28 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 7, and prime factors of 70 are 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. Now see which are common, 2 and 7. Okay. For LCM, we write each number once from the pair, 2, 1 from here 7, and this 2 and 5 also, 2 and 5. So LCM will become 2 to the 4, 4 7 the 28, 28 multiply 5 is equal to 5 8 the 40, 4 carry 5 to the 10 plus 4 140. This is our LCM. Now we find the highest common factor. Highest common factors always comes from the common factor. See what are the common factors here. Common factors are 2 and 7. 2 multiply 7. Yani HCF is equal to 40. Okay. Now check the product of two numbers. 28 multiply 70 is equal to product of their HCF. This is 14 multiply LCM. This is 140. Okay. I'm leaving it for you. You will check this answer. If the right hand side becomes equal to the left hand side, it's mean our answers are correct.